Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus students often struggle with differentiability. Let's analyze this piecewise function to find exactly where it fails to be smooth. To be differentiable at a point, the function must first be continuous there. We need to check both the left and right limits and the derivatives at our boundary points carefully. At x equals 0, the function value is 0 and both one-sided limits match perfectly. Since the slopes also match from both sides, the function is fully differentiable at this specific point. At x equals 2, the function is continuous but derivatives differ. This sharp turn means it is not differentiable there, making C correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check your steps.